What's up guys, it's Ryan from RPS Dent Specialists coming to you with another tool review. Let's check it out. We've got a Blehm upper brace tool coming to you this time. Super shaved on the very end, kind of tapered here, gets in that upper brace of the door. What I'm really enjoying about this thing is the tight tolerances on the gear for the ratcheting handle. You really can't ask for anything better. It's my first Blehm purchase and I'm extremely happy with it. The handle's super comfortable, the rubber grip. This is their Blackout series that they came out. It's very limited run, so get them while you can. It's on their site. It's 19 inches long, 5/16 stainless. I really like the stainless because obviously the moisture in the back of the trucks, they do get some rust on them if you don't oil them periodically. I really don't like oiling the tools just because I'm in and out of so many body shops and it does sometimes cause fish eyes. Price on this is $90. What's up guys? So the true functionality of this Blehm upper door brace tool is amazing. What I'm really liking is the adjustability of this handle. The problem I always had was the handles were either this way or this way, and I could never get the torque here that I needed to get to the top of that door and really push the dent. So with the adjustability of this, there's nothing out there right now like this. I'm really enjoying it, even just how comfortable this handle is. Very little flex at the top. It's awesome. So check them out, Blehm tools. This thing is the shiznit. Thanks for checking out this tool review of the Blehm upper door tool. It really is my favorite upper brace tool now. And I'm definitely going to buy some more tools from Blehm just due to their customer service, the quality of this tool. So appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe. See you on the next one. See you guys.